So welcome to my channel Grammatics. So here we are going to do a poem by Rabindranath Tagore, The Flower School. So we can start the poem. I'll be reading the poem first, then we can go on with the summary. And storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down. The moist east wind comes marching over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. They do their lessons with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, the master makes them stand in a corner. When the rains come, they have their holidays. Branches clash together in the forest and the leaves rustle in the wild wind. The thunderclouds clap their giant hands and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. Do you know, Mother? Their home is in the sky where the stars are. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. So this is the poem The Flower School by Rabindranath Tagore. So moving on to the summary. Now here the poet through a child wants us to know where these plants come from just after the heavy rain. So we have seen plants sprouting up, erupting from the ground after the rains. Now where they are coming from? The child compares himself, his schooling, to the plants, to the flowering plants that come out during the rainy season. So to show the rainy season in the month of June, the poet starts with the climate to the season. When storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down. So showers are there, rain is coming down, and at that time also the wind is blowing, the moist east wind. So the wind, when it passes through the bamboos, the rustling sound, it's just like the musical sound that comes from the bagpipes. The crowds of flowers, then suddenly from nowhere, flowers just erupt from the ground and they are dancing, they are swaying in the wind, and that's what the poet says, that they are dancing in the grass with wild glee. They are very happy to be coming out. Now the child is telling, Mother, I really think the flower goes to school underground. So the child is comparing his schooling with the flowers that come out. Now he thinks that the flowers go to school underground. Now why they are underground? Because the child is telling, as our master makes us stand in a corner when we are disobedient and we can't come out of the class before the bell rings. Same way, the plants, the flowering plants, are made to stand in the corner if they want to come out before the rain comes. Now when the rain comes, it is in the same way as the bell rings in a class. So when the rain comes, these flowering plants, they just erupt from the ground. They are running out, they are rushing out in different colors of pink, yellow and white, same as the children who come out of the class. When the bell rings, they are happy to leave their class and come out with such a noise. So since the branches, and when the rain comes, they have their holidays. So same way as the children come out, it is their holidays when the bell rings. The same way, when the rain comes, it is the holidays for the plants, small plants that erupt, that flowering plants. So they all come out in different colors of pink, yellow and white, and branches clash together in the forest. So that's how the children make noise when they come out of their class, and the leaves rustle in the wild wind and thunderclouds clap their giant hands. Same way, the children also, when the bell rings, they are very happy to come out. Now the child is telling his mother, do you know, their home is the sky where the stars are. The sky is the home. And why the child thinks so? Because he thinks that the plants, the flowering plants that erupt from the ground, it rises up and they are raising their arms towards the sky. And here the child asks two questions to his mother. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? And don't you know why they are in such a hurry? So the child is asking, mother, you see how eager they are, why they are so much eager, why they are raising their arms towards the sky. And the child finally tells the answer also, because as I am so eager in the class after the bell to run and come to my mother for her love and affection, so is the plants. They are raising their arms because the sky is their mother and they want to go to their mother. Just as the child after the bell wants to go to his mother's lap, so are the plants. After the rains, they want to reach to the sky where their mother is. So that's a beautiful poem by Rabindranath Tagore, The Flower School. Thank you.